Welcome back to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart your device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on see all, scroll down and click on Google and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Google, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.